Hello guys and welcome back to IIT Chalo. So today we are going to solve another question of ionic equilibrium, and question says that liquid ammonia ionizes to a slight extent. So at a certain temperature its a self ionization constant is 10 to the power minus 30, and the number of NH4 ions are present in per 100 ml of pure sample, that is pure liquid. Okay, so that is what we need to determine. So in this question we need to find out how many ions will be present in 10 to the power 2, that is 100 ml of the solution of the liquid ammonia. Okay, we are provided with the ionization constant of the liquid ammonia, and that is 10 to the power minus 30. So from the ionization constant itself it suggests that very less dissociation or very less ionization takes place. So guys, let's move ahead and solve this question. Now if we assume that initial concentration of the ammonia was 1, then at the equilibrium concentration, that means when dissociation or ionization takes place, so X amount of the ammonia gets converted into NH2 negative and NH4 positive. Okay, so this is the X amount for the NH2 negative and NH4 positive. So if I write the expression of the equilibrium constant, what will be the expression? Concentration of the product into concentration of the reactant, and the concentration of the product is found to be X square, and the concentration of reactant is found to be 1 minus X square. Alright, now at this point of the time what's happening, this concentration of ammonia is going to be constant because it's present in the excess amount. So 1 minus X, okay, so 1 minus X will going to be constant, and it will be almost equal to 1. So now what will be your expression? Your expression will be k equal to X square, and k is given to us 10 to the power minus 30. And if you calculate the value of X by this, what you get value of the X, and which is equal to 10 to the power minus 15. So guys, whenever you are provided with the different volume of the solution, what you need to do is you need to find out the concentration. What is the concentration? Okay, then you multiply that concentration with the volume, so you will get what is actually the number of millimoles over there, and then you multiply with the Avogadro number. So what you will get the actual number of ions which will be present into the solution. So since volume is given to us 100 ml, if we divide with 1000, we'll get volume of the solution as a 0.1 liter. Okay, so this 0.1 will be what? Volume of the solution. And now we calculate the concentration of NH4 ions finally into the 100 ml of the solution. So if you calculate this, you will get number of NH4 ions in 100 ml equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 7. So guys, this was our answer which we are looking for. And if we talk about the answer option, so it will be answer option C. So I hope you enjoy this. Do like for the more updates regarding this ionic equilibrium solutions, and keep supporting us. In order to support us, do like this video. Thank you very much guys.